西西嗦嗦瑞瑞哆西哆，
哎，对的，非常好。
咚西西嗦嗦瑞瑞哆西哆。
Make a new page and name it piano practice or any habit you like to check. Then add icon which makes you happy. On this page, click / add a table view, select the add new database option and name the table. Piano practice or daily reading, daily running, whatever you want. As the original title part comes from the table view, I cannot change it into my other property, so I will maintain its property and change its name to lesson number. Inside this part, I can keep track of what online lessons my weekly practice relate to. Click the text, then you will see this pop up. Click select type. Change the name to week number. And for the box below, you could name it week 1, week 2, or any week that matches your current week. The same color for weekly and bi-weekly is a good choice, as that helps me keep track of my time. Additionally, you can choose the week number by clicking the filter in the upper right corner. At the same time, the week number appears. Then click on your current week. When you set the filter, you will only see the week you want to focus on, or any week you wish to view. Add a new checkbox property. Edit property. Keep selecting duplicate property until we have 7 checkboxes. Then change their name into Monday to Sunday. It's easy to tick our checkbox. Let's talk about formulas in the next section. Formulas might seem confusing to a beginner like me. Even though I'm still learning how to use them, I'm finding these upcoming formulas quite useful. It calculates how many times I have achieved my habit goal and also the percentage. It's time to add up the number of checkboxes. We need to create a formula property, name it times. Click the box, choose edit property, and then click edit. We can use the function toNumber, which returns a number. Then we will add brackets, and you will see the Monday to Sunday checkboxes. After copying the number function, click inside the brackets. Select Monday and add a plus after that. Once you have pasted the copied text, repeat the process until you have seen the entire formula. It's done. As everything has been added up, if you tick it 5 boxes, the times box will display 5. Add the formula property called growth to check the percentage. Paste the previous result into this growth formula box. Let's divide them by 7 inside the formula. Add brackets first, then divide everything by 7. We will then see the digital effects. There are still many numbers behind the decimal points, which is a little frustrating. If we want to round down our number, we will use a function called floor, which is a function for rounding down numbers. Basically, it's like floor 100 times the result we divided for. Don't forget to add bracket first, then the slash at the end. Then the whole thing divided by 100. Here is our original formula, and the rest is the floor function. Check the box, and there should be a 1, 2, 3 button. You can also click on the growth box. Change the number formats to percentage. Click the bar, select the color. We are finally done with the percentage formula and times checker. On my templates, you can see that my lesson number property on the right. Also, it's related to another template. I created a piano lesson template for recording the weekly online lessons that I have. However, I don't intend to go any further today. Let's focus on one thing at a time. If you are interested in learning more, please comment below. I will prepare a tutorial for you. You can enter your goal here to help you navigate your self-learning. Feel free to customize. Do you remember the weekly planner I shared with you? My habits tracker and weekly planner are linked when selecting a table view in the weekly planner. Choose the daily practice tracker. You can use the filter to avoid seeing information from other weeks. Once you've reached your goal, you can click the checkbox below the weekly planner. It's easy to do so.